Hey everybody, this is Cyborg Sword. I'm going to walk you through the web challenges as well as one of the forensics challenges that kind of leaned into each other. So we're going to start out with RBS or Arby's, if you didn't catch that. And it says here, Dr. Tom Lee is up to something again. It's not sounding good. We heard he was messing around over at Dr. Tom Lee XYZ, and maybe we should look into this. This had 172 solves, so great. It means people really were able to figure out one of the easiest challenges that I definitely created for the event. And I'll show you why. Now, I'm going to go over to Dr. Tom Lee to XYZ, give you an idea of what you were looking at and what you could have caught from the page and things like that. Then we'll come back, submit the flag, and show you. I'm going to refresh this page, and you're going to notice, cool, we're getting some basic stuff going on. It looks really nice. It's responsive. Oh, thank you. I did create this. But overall, this page is going to have a lot of filler data. I'm going to drop some lore here. Lore was meant to be a bigger part of this event, and had people made their way into the forums, they definitely would have been exposed to that lore a lot more. But let's keep on track. So in RBS, we are looking for a flag that's hidden here on the site somewhere. We're not given actually a lot of info, which is fun because people usually complain if you're not given info, you can't solve it, but 172 of you would prove otherwise. So let's look into it. Now this is just giving you data on Roku's Basilisk. That's the biggest bad. Tom Lee is like his fanboy. Cool. Roku's Basilisk, great AI theory about AI gaining super intelligence and then seeking revenge on those who didn't help it rise to power. We've got a tiramisu recipe, not a flag, but a good recipe. Then you've got Long Live Cybernetics. Our theme was cyberpunk. Nothing crazy here. I love the web. Saying great short graphic design is my passion, but have you tried building a web browser? Well, that's interesting. And then he's basically saying, I'm going to make all my friends use it. We name it browser and relative directories in space. Yes, I probably should have been IES, but it's Tom Lee. He messes up a lot. And then he calls it Tom Spartus. Now this is going to come into play later. So I'm going to copy and paste this, but again, this is just something you would have seen in passing very early on in the competition. Again, we also have why is RB so great? Hey, double eight. It's just silly. It's just silly stuff. Yes, we have JerseyCTF with part. That's just basically saying you're on the right path, but you're not there. We did give you a hint to a flag, GF7 and other friends, so we give you a hint, but nothing else is here. Other things that you'd want to notice on the front page, we have comments from RB themselves, just saying we're going to punish all the non-believers. Anna, who's one of the best of the good guys, the head of Nick, saying you're not fooling anyone. We know what the site's really for, dude. Once we figure out how to see what you've been up to, it's over. And Mary M, one of our friends who's always seen with Maya Elmer, is commenting here saying, I think Maya and I figured it out. We'll see more of that later. I believe in RunnerNet, but for now, keep that in mind. When you're evaluating anything, you want to look in the source. You can see I already had it pulled up here. I'm going to look, see what comments we had, see if anything else pops up. We've got 2. So nothing here, just basically saying, hey, this is an EJS document. I built this on Node.js and use CJS as a view engine for this time. Next time going to be different, but pretty easy. You can see how we're importing things. Anything sticking out to you, JerseyCTF only shows up once, so we're not hiding it in plain. Not in this case anyway, so it's not here. Okay. So the other thing that you would want to do in a very easy web challenge is inspect. So inspect network traffic, see if we're loading anything, did anything not come through. Everything looks like it came through, nothing failed, great. And it's mostly just CSS, Axios is being used, okay, some random things, fonts, those what the WOOF2s are, and nothing out of the ordinary jumping at me. No console logs, no things in our sources. You shouldn't have been able to see anything, so thankfully that worked out. But the thing that you did want to find is this. Ooh, look at this. I've got a yummy flag. Actually, I have two of these because I reloaded the page. But I'm going to go ahead and just say JWT.io. So that was a JSON Web Token. I'm going to go ahead and just redo this. JSON Web Tokens are not very good, honestly. They're not very good at actually showing encrypted data. As you can see here, JWT.io, if this is your first time messing around with them, shows you it's pretty easy to decrypt. And we can see right away we've got flag, JCTF, give me the beef and cheddar, please. Cool. Let me just go up. Oh, I'm having trouble copying right there. Apparently I cannot. All over the board today. But that would be the flag to try here. And I already solved it, so we'll move on.